Right guys, welcome back to the channel. Last time we were putting plywood on the interior of the garage using the big boy tools. Still got all my fingers. The saw was a bit tricky, but we got there in the end. And today we're going to do a bit of interior painting. So I'm going to paint the inside black, the ceiling and the walls. Now, let me explain. If you've come here looking for decorating tips, you're at the completely wrong place. I'm more just slap it on, spread it over and hope for the best. That's all I can give you. So I'm not a painter. I'm just going to stick it on the roller and roll it on the walls and see what happens. Hopefully it'll be straightforward. What the fuck can go wrong with painting like? Okay, I've no idea what kind of paint this is. Right, I've no idea what this is going to be like. I don't think it's paint, I think it's more like wood dye. Oh, it says, fuck, it's hard to open. Right, it's very watery looking. It says, give it a good stare. Not very thick, but it's more like watery, but might thicken up a bit. Give it a good stir for 5 minutes. I have to say, that black paint going on, it's actually not too bad.
Terrible looking.
What do you think, Liam?
What? It's got the paint all over the place.
Or sure, Liam? Huh?
I sure am.
I left wood. What's that wood behind you though? That's just the first coat now. It's taken alright. I thought it would have sucked in more, but it probably would have been as dry like.
How you have to wait till that sucks in.
A couple of coats might do it, might not?
Yeah.
Maybe 2 coats will do it. That's the first coat.
Sure.
Time I do the roof and all and come back round.
What colour are you doing this?
Same.
Black? All black?
All black. And then I'll have LED strips around it.
You get that.
Well, I'm going to put LED strips around it, right?
White, you make it white, no colours.
And then that light with a solar panel on. I might get one for in here. Put it up there, so because it lights up everything now.
Well, I'll just white lights all around it.
Oh, will do, yeah. How are you getting orange LEDs?
Oh, but you get the white lights. Don't get orange now, because I hate them.
You get ones that go different colours.
Oh, I know. I don't. They're all right on the Christmas tree or something. Oh my God, where did I get that from?
What?
Where did I get that from?
Where do you get the black paint from?
I didn't touch that. Right am I up here?
You better go before you're destroyed. Ruth will be giving you up.
Oh yeah.
I'm here all day anyway.
Right.
That's the first coat on, but I'll give it another couple of coats. I think it's coming on well. Yeah. First time ever painting. Yeah. I don't think I've done a bad job there now. For the first time. I need to go in there with a paintbrush, I think. In the corner. Yeah, it's not looking too bad now, I must say. Quite impressed with myself. I have to say, I thought I would have sucked the paint into the wood a lot more than what it did. But still, you can see through it. I'm going to have to give it a couple of coats, like, but 2, maybe 3 coats, but definitely 2. Yeah, it's just the walls done. Just do the ceiling. Well, that's the second coat. Didn't suck in as much that time. Ceiling still needs done again, the roof. That's the first coat, second coat. So, not too bad on the second coat. It'll probably take 3 coats for the roof. Everything's going to need 3 coats, I think. The walls are quite easy, just do it with a roller. All the walls are nice and smooth. And then this one here, don't know what's happened to the plywood there, but shelves going up there, so you'll not see that anyway. But yeah, it's all looking well. Right, as you can see, we've done all the painting. Shades blacked out. But 4 coats on the wall, 3 coats on the ceiling. So, starting to dry out now. That's the last coat. See what it dries out like. Quite pleased with that. Just get the floor down then. That'll be the next thing. We'll ply out the floor and maybe a black rubber mat covering the floor and a bit of checker plating where the bike's going to sit. And then I'm going to have my workbench down that wall, pegboard, toolbox, a few bits and pieces, and that's it all done. Some solar lights to put in because I've no electric down here, so I'm going to put some solar lights up in here, and that'll be it finished then.